Putting together a baby nursery can be really fun, but trying to get good wall art for that nursery can get really, really expensive. So instead of shelling out some money for some cute nursery art, why not just make it? On this channel, we have done lots of different types of painting projects with acrylics, so doing a wall print of a nursery is not going to be such a bad idea after all. Let's jump over to the easel and get started. Alrighty, let's talk supplies. So the first thing you want to pick up is a 22 by 28 inch poster board. I got these at Dollar Tree, 50 cents each. And you're also going to need a couple of photo frames. I got 11 by 14 because those are nice and big, and I figured those are really great for wall prints. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop out the back, take out a piece of poster board, trace, and then cut out the appropriate size so that it can fit inside your frame. Cut out as many pieces as you see fit. Then you're going to turn the poster board to the matte side, and that's where we're going to be doing all of our painting. Then you're just going to grab a few of your acrylic brushes and paints, some water, and a little palette. I decided to go with a rainbow design for my first one, so I decided to go with all the colors of the rainbow, going with Roy G. Biv, if you remember that. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can work with any sort of combinations. I didn't have enough room to go all the way to purple, but I was able to get almost all the colors. And I just took my flat wash brush, used the broad side of the brush, and just literally did a series of arches going one on top of the other. Really, really simple. What I really love about this is that you don't have to be super precise or perfect. Then I just added a little bit of glitter because girl loves her glitter. Now, design number 2 is a really cute interpretation of Mr. Sun. So we're going to take the flat wash brush, get a little bit of yellow combined with some white, and make a circle on the center of your paper. Using the broad side of the brush, we're going to make the sun rays that are emanating all around the sun itself. I took my time with this, just go slowly until you get a full equal amount of rays around the sun. Then transitioning to the detail brush, I went ahead and added eyelashes using the color orange. I decided to not go with the color black because it did seem a little too stark and I wanted something playful and colorful. I don't know what it is about nurseries and wall art and eyelashes on characters, but I think they're so incredibly cute and I could not help myself. And then of course add a few little smileys, a little blush, and some more glitter. Of course, the glitter is totally optional, but me being who I am, I just could not say no to a little bit of glitter and glam. Now design number 3 is something that I thought was super cool, which is a drawing or painting of the moon. So we're going to start out by making the letter C to the best of your abilities with your flat wash brush, and then using a combination of blue and purple, which is what I decided to go with, fill in that shape until I got a nice fat moon. Now of course I did start out thin, but then I kind of worked my way and made it thicker and thicker and thicker. And then I kind of changed my mind and wanted it to be a little more light in color, so I added a little bit more white to get that there. Then decided to do the features of our little moon, so we pulled out our detail brush. Once again, made some eyelashes, a little smile, and then we added some stars using a little bit of that blue. And honestly, I think this looks super cute, super sweet. You can add as many stars or as little stars or no stars, however you feel is right for you. And then of course we add a little bit of a blush with some white, and then the pièce de résistance, you guessed it, more glitter. And yeah, just going on it with the brush really just adds a little bit of pop and pizzazz, and it just kind of like hides away any little mistakes that you have going on, which, you know, that kind of happens a lot on this channel, and that's okay. And now design number 4, we're making a little cloud that's raining rainbow drops. So we just start out with our flat wash brush. We're doing a series of arches to create the puffiness of the clouds. It's up to you how much puffiness you want it to be. If you want it to have a lot more bumps, go for it. Less bumps, that's fine too. Then we're going to go towards the bottom, get a detail round brush, and make a series of V brush strokes. And that's how we make the little rain droplets that look like hearts, and it's super cute. You can vary the colors, kind of like how I did, or stay with one color. And then of course we got to do our little eyelashes, a little smiley face, and some sparkles to add all that pizzazz into this. Love that shimmy shine. So now once everything has dried, very important, you want to make sure that these are all dry, you're going to pop them into the frames and just behold your beautiful, beautiful artwork. Yeah, these look so legit when they're in their frames, you guys. I was blown away. Now it came time to hanging these up, so really what I decided to do was to grab my laser level. This thing saves my life when it comes to adding in pictures on my wall, keeping everything nice and straight and steady and level. Using some command hook strips because nobody is going to want to be putting nails on any of these walls anymore. I'm kind of over that. You just stick them to the wall and then admire your beautiful piece. Nursery wall art would definitely do again. Not as hard and intimidating as I thought it would be, and with just a few select materials that are not super expensive, you can create a plethora of nursery wall art design ideas. And if you came up with some really cool designs of your own, please be sure to share. I'm always excited to see what you guys come up with. And if you're feeling like you're in the DIY kind of mood, click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.